Wow, steak. You know, guys, you have to promise me someday I have to treat you to sa favorite restaurant ko. You know, it's expensive, pero that would be no problem. There you go.
Thank you. Lola, asan nga pala si Eliza?
Oh, you have to excuse her. She's not feeling well.
Nagmumukmuk pa rin ba hanggang ngayon si Eliza? Well, sa bagay, mahirap siguro para sa kanya makita akong masaya with my fiancé while her marriage is on the rocks.
Oh, Sophia, that's not something we talk about with guests.
Oh, Enrico's not our guest. He's practically family, Lola.
So, Enrico, aside from being our newest investor and I heard widower ka rin daw. Pero bukod doon, we don't know much about you.
Well, after college, I went to New York. Nag-masters ako doon. Business, of course. And then I came back here. Nakilala ko asawa ko. Nagtrabaho ko sa company niya. And when she died, I took over the company and boom! Naging big time yung kumpanya.
It's very impressive.
Kaya ngayon, gusto ko expand ang company namin. Nakita ko malaking opportunity sa tuna business. Kaya nag-invest ako sa inyo. And then, nakilala ko si Sophia.
Actually, Dad, nabanggit ko nga kay Enrico na magpupull out tayo as merger sa Olivares. And he is interested.
Yeah, I'm very interested. Baka naghanap kayo ng bagong investor. And I'm willing.
Well, we're actually in the middle of reorganizing our company right now.
Oh yeah. I heard the relaunching of your products.
Yeah.
This is a great time for you guys to get me. You know, I can benefit from your expertise, and at the same time, you can benefit from my cash, and of course, from my fresh new ideas.
I hope you don't get slighted, Enrico, but we don't usually just take in anybody.
I'm not anybody. I'm gonna be part of your family.
Yeah.
Denso, ang ayaw papasukin naman mo yung amo ko, hindi ako. Papasyan ko lang naman si Aya Maricel eh. Sige na.
Manoy naman.
Oh.
Alam mo naman na hindi kayo pwedeng papasukin. Bilin sa akin ni ma'am.
Hindi yan. Ito nga, meron akong dala sa'yo, tignan mo.
Pagagalitan ako nito.
Sa lumusin para sa ito. Di ba, hindi ba gusto mo ito?
No.
Di ba gusto mo yan? Paborito mo yan? Pero imported yan. Imported yan. Nakikita ko pinitira mo ng miss.
Ako nga.
O, di ba? Gusto
Kaya nga.
yan. Masarap yan.
Si Michael!
Teka, sundin.
Si Michael!
Dali!
Elisa! Elisa!
Hoy! Anong ginagawa mo rito?